Good morning. Saying, Mom, can you just make me breakfast? Hey, mister. Hey. What do you want for breakfast, huh? Guys, look at this giant loaf of bread my parents got us from the Persian market before they left. Look at this. This is literally half of my body. It's just bread. Just gonna pop this in the toaster. On top of his bread, I picked up this organic banana fruit spread from Trader Joe's the other day. Kayvon loves this stuff. He was eating it by the spoonful last night. So I'm gonna put some of this. I'm gonna mix it with some classic almond butter. I'm gonna add a dash of milk just to make it a little bit creamier, like liquidier. Yummy. Kayvon likes it. You want another piece? Oh, Kayvon. So you're basically just sucking the peanut butter and the banana off your bread, huh? Oh, he just put that soggy piece of bread back in his mouth. He was like, no, Mom, I'll eat it. Two pieces.
You sound like I have as a kiss.
He likes it too much. Can I have some? Can I have some? He just wants to give us kisses. His breath smells like peanut butter. Peekaboo. 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 Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy breakfast for a yummy baby. So I'm gonna eat something real quick because I know once Vaughn is up, I'm not gonna have time to eat. And I made this chicken salad the other day. I feel like when I say chicken salad, people assume like, you know, like lettuce and stuff. No, like the actual chicken salad with like mayo and stuff. It is so good. I love to buy a rotisserie from the store and just shred it up and just mix it with like mayo and Greek yogurt. And like I have some red onion and celery in there. So I'm gonna probably eat this. I don't know if I wanna eat it on a wrap or just eat it with celery and cucumbers. But I have a lot of cleaning to do. You guys know on Sundays, I like to prepare for the week. The more I do on Sunday, I feel like I can just relax more during the week. I want to wash our towels. Our towels are filthy. You know, for the aesthetic, I switched to lighter towels, like cream colored towels. And I'm slowly starting to regret it because our towels used to be gray and I feel like they never look dirty. See, I feel like there's like pros and cons to that because I feel like when your item doesn't look dirty, like the gray towels didn't look dirty, I wasn't washing them as much. And it's like you should be washing your towels, you know what I mean? I don't know what to do. Should I make a wrap? I think I'm gonna make a wrap. Why am I so indecisive? First of all, can we take a second for how organized our fridge looks? We went grocery shopping last night. I swear our fridge was so empty for a minute, but it is looking good. And I'm someone, I like my labels to all face forward. I picked up these tortillas. I love the Mission Carb Balanced tortillas. I feel like everybody loves these. But I saw this flavor, sun-dried tomato basil. And you guys know I'm a tomato lover, so I'm like, I feel like I need to get these. So let's try this. Hopefully the flavor like doesn't clash with the chicken salad. It smells just like wheat bread. Should I toast it? Let's microwave it. Look at how cute these little lettuce leaves are that I picked up. They're like all mini and cute. Put some tomato, some salt. Guys, I'm being active on TikTok, so go follow me. I'm teaching her the ropes of TikTok. Yeah, the transitions. Hold on, my realtor. Tell them how amazing my chicken salad is. It's so good. We had it yesterday with our cheese plate. We were just eating cheese and we're like, we need like actual meat. So we were thinking about turkey deli meat. And then she got her chicken. You do it like, you say what you want and you turn. You have to turn right at the end. And then when you move it to the side that you turn to. So if I turn this way, my next clip needs to be this way, not this way. You know? Okay, do it. So
Got it.
And then, you continue. And then you gotta go. No, if you want her to talk, you click on the words and you say text to speech. So it'd be like this.
I wonder how she's gonna say Clara. Hold on. I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you gonna show me in a special way. I feel when you hold me, we gonna always be together, baby. That's what you told me, and I believe it. Cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
I'm gonna eat my wrap. Guys, actually, I didn't mention this. I actually made another wrap. So that first one was just an appetizer. I made another one, and then I'm gonna eat some cucumbers and carrots on the side. Here's my food. I'm about to take some vitamins. I'm on my last 2 vitamins of my Ritual supplements, but luckily I just got my order in for my new bottle. You guys know I've been taking Ritual for such a long time now. Even before I started taking this one here is their Essential for Women. I was taking their prenatals when I was pregnant. So now I take their Essential for Women every single day. A huge reason why I love these vitamins is because they're no nausea capsules. So just like I mentioned, I literally did not even eat breakfast today and I'm about to take vitamins, especially when you're pregnant. Oh my God, prenatals will make your morning sickness a million times worse, which is why I was so happy when I switched to Ritual when I was pregnant. Honestly, that's why I love taking a daily vitamin and taking Ritual, because it can be very hard to get all the nutrients you need in your day. Even if you have the perfect diet, I have nowhere near the perfect diet, but even if you do, it can be really hard to get all of your key nutrients you need in a day, which is why I love taking a daily vitamin. Especially with being a busy mom, it can be really difficult for me to get all my meals in a day, let alone making sure I'm getting all the vitamins and the D3s and the omega-3s and stuff like that. I feel like I tend to really focus on making sure Kayvon is fed and Kayvon is good, which kind of leaves me on the back burner sometimes, which is why I love having the safety net of my Ritual vitamins, because I'm like, even though I didn't eat the most perfect balanced diet today, at least I know I got some nutrients and I got some vitamins in. So again, you just take 2 capsules every single day, and I'll put on the screen all the nutrients that come in each serving. And again, I just love these capsules so much because they're vegan friendly, sugar free, non-GMO, allergen free, gluten free. They have none of that bad icky stuff in there and random fillers. And just Ritual as a whole, the company is just super duper transparent, from their materials to where every ingredient is sourced. If you go on their website and click on each vitamin, it literally tells you where that vitamin is from. They have so many different vitamins on there. They also have men's vitamins, 50 plus. They also have vitamins for teens and also postnatal vitamins. So there's something on there for the whole family. And to top it all off, Ritual gets delivered right to your door. So as you guys saw, I just finished up a bottle, and if this was any other vitamin, it would have taken me weeks to go out to the store and actually go buy a new pack of vitamins. And with that being said, Ritual is offering all my lovely viewers 10% off your first 3 months. So you guys can get that 10% off your first 3 months by going to ritual.com/10Nazanin and using my code 10Nazanin at checkout.
Is that good salary, Baba?
So my productive Sunday is not so productive. I actually was starting to doze off on the couch, and obviously like I can't fall asleep while I'm watching Kayvon. So I called Mel out of his office and I was like, babe, like I can't do it. Like I'm literally about to pass out. So Mel took a break from his work, and bless his heart, he took Kayvon to the grocery store with him. They went to Ralph's together because we needed a few things for dinner. But I got a nice long hour nap. I was literally so exhausted, you guys, after I washed the dishes. And now it is back to trying to be more productive. But I feel really unproductive now that I fell asleep. But you know what? Sometimes Sundays are for recharging. Just throwing in a load of our dark clothes. Kayvon has just been sweeping the floor all night. He's been dragging this broom around the whole kitchen, you guys. Kayvon, how are you this strong? Guys, this broom is not light. Like, it's really heavy. It's like a wood broom. I'm gonna play with the broom. You hold it like this. I'm currently working on dinner. You guys know we love homemade sloppy joes. We make it with turkey. I've showed this in a video before, or we use ground chicken or turkey, but I've showed this in a video before. I'm just gonna link down below to the recipe on Pinterest for you guys, but it's literally so good, and we eat it like the next day for lunch. It's the best, and Vaughn likes it a lot too. So right now I'm just pulsing up celery, carrot, onion, and garlic. And then the recipe also calls for green bell pepper. I'm apparently like intolerant to green bell pepper, so I don't put that in there. Hey, Vaughn, remember you used to be scared of this? You used to be scared of this. Now he does not care. Honestly, I feel like this recipe is perfect if any of you guys have picky kids that don't like vegetables, because when you mince it, it literally becomes the texture of the meat, and then when you put the sauce, you can't even see the vegetables. So you can honestly add, I feel like, more vegetables to this and you won't even taste it. Like you can add zucchini, or I'm trying to think what other things. I feel like you can use any bell pepper, like yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper. Yeah, if you just mince it up really small, it's like perfect to just mix into the sauce. Can we hear that crunch? We want to hear that crunch. No crunchy? What is that? Hey, no. Kayvon. No, Papa. You're gonna slam your fingers, baby. No, thank you. Kayvon, come on, Papas. What, baby? What's wrong, baby? What's wrong, baby? Getting tired? I love when Kayvon gets in this mood, you guys, because he's not a big cuddler. So, like, when he does get in this mood, I'm like, I feel like I have an actual toddler. Hi, baby, what's wrong? What's wrong, Bubba? So I cut Kayvon's sloppy joe. I just like really flattened the sandwich with the bread, and some of the tops came off this one, and I just gave him the tops because at first I gave it to him like this, like the top and bottom together, and it was too big for him. So I'm just giving it one side at a time, and he loves it. Yummy. Yummy. So here is mine. I have mine on with some coleslaw and then just on top of a hamburger bun and a little bit of fries. And y'all already know, Coke Zero. Mel's looks so yummy. He put his with cheese and then he put fries in his sandwich. Yum. Hi. So I just put Kayvon down to sleep and I made myself a little dessert. This is... Yasmin's saying to go follow her on TikTok. But I froze a little bit. It's not all the way frozen, but I just froze a little bit of fat-free whipped cream. And then these are off-brand Oreos. And the trick is, okay, I can't control myself with real Oreos. I swear, Mom, I used to put like a whole pack away when I was like pregnant. So you get the off-brand one, so it's not quite as yummy. So you don't eat as much in a sitting. Like you eat the actual portion size. So I'm just going to break up some Oreos. This is my little dessert. So this video was supposed to be like a productive Sunday, but honestly, this video is more of like a what my toddler and I eat in a day. So I might just change the title. But we're just about to watch our show, The Undoing, and I'll probably do some laundry afterwards. So what's up, guys? It is the next day, so it is Monday, and my productive Sunday wasn't really that productive. I mean, I got a good chunk of stuff done, but definitely not as much as I would like. I did not even touch my laundry. I did wash the clothes and I dried them, but I didn't like do any type of folding or anything like that. Overall, it just wasn't the most productive Sunday I've had in my life, but I think that's important to note too, that you know, it's totally okay to also relax and recharge on your weekends. You don't always have to be on go mode. That's something I'm trying to teach myself, because I always feel like I have to be doing something. I always have to be working. It's okay to just relax. And, you know, me and Mel and Yasmin, we were watching our show, so we watched a whole episode of that. They both ended up falling asleep on the couch, and I watched the other show that I'm watching by myself, which is called like American Playboy. It's actually really interesting. It's about Hugh Hefner's life story. Definitely check it out on Amazon Prime. It's really, really good. Even Yasmin, who's not even into like TV shows, she was like, wait, like, where can I watch this? This is so good. But right now I'm actually headed to a nail appointment because these nails need to go. I have some content to do today and I really want pretty hands for it. Guys, this is how Mel is getting the ending clip for my nails. We are struggling so hard. Baby, ready?
How long do you want me to do it?
Just listen to the song wherever sounds good.
I can't see. So you gotta tell me.
But I'm not centered. This is not gonna work. You need to look at the screen. Ouch, my hair. Like that, or should I do one nail like this, or just like this?
No, do one.
Hold on, I want you to zoom in a little bit more. I think this looks better, huh? Wait, no, I don't like it. The way you were was great. Right there. Jesus, babe, how long are you making it?
I didn't mean to hit
I'll
it.
just trim it. I'm just eating the leftover sloppy joe. I just want to show you guys what my food will look like if I don't, you know, post it on social media. I literally just throw it all. This was the Tupperware that the sloppy joe was in. I just melted some cheese and then put some avocado on top. And I'm just going to eat it with some chips. Don't mind Kayvon in the back. But here are my nails, you guys. They look so good. I'm gonna put the nail tech's info on the screen, but I did post a reel on TikTok and tag the artist as well. But they look so cute. And this little rascal is just screaming. Hi, my little dinosaur. I like your outfit today.